Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for flying with us to Adelaide today, where the local time is approximately 11:10 a.m. On behalf of Captain Cameron Doble and all of us in the cabin, it's been a pleasure having you on board. Today we'll exit through the forward left-hand door only. Before you head off, double check you have everything with you and be careful opening the overhead locker just in case any luggage has moved during the flight. For customers connecting to another Jetstar or Qantas flight, our team in the terminal will be happy to help. If your phone's within arm's reach, you can switch it on. Any other devices need to stay switched off until you're inside the terminal. For a great car rental deal in Adelaide, Jetstar customers receive 10% off Hertz Best Rate of the Day. Just visit the Hertz counter at the airport and present your boarding pass. Whether you're flying again today, tomorrow or into the future, we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you and good morning.